this workshop is a space to learn from each other and understand the policy challenges around critical minerals, to stress test the value of a knowledge and information hub. The workshop is not only about validation, but co-creation. Therefore, we want to hear from you so that we can shape C-MINK together.
Coming to the why of C-MINK, this has to be not a reactive. We can't react. It has to be a proactive stance of deciding where investments are going to be made, of deciding how investments are going to be made, and also putting a price on the resources that we have, not being underchanged, undervalued. Contracts come, the big multinational companies get a lion's share, and Africa walks away, shortchanged. So this is really about how do you change that narrative and how do you change that set of circumstances.
A very invaluable initiative because our main constraint is that we don't have knowledge. First of all, we don't know actually how much minerals we have because we haven't been able to undertake the surveys. We lack information about technology. We lack information about systems, production systems. So C-MINK actually puts all this together in the form of a knowledge hub. And this will actually fill in a lot of the gaps, implementation gaps that I've mentioned.
Depending on how we as African countries rethink our way of engagement, value the resources that we have and put in place the needed frameworks, the needed agreements within the continent itself, so that when we are at the table, at least we will be speaking on a semblance of equal terms, because it's all about power and interest.
C-MINK comes at a very critical moment. I think it is important that we mobilize all the resources. By resources, I don't just mean financial. I think policy instruments, technological know-how, to make sure that we move away from extroverted commodity production trajectory to promoting localization of mineral value chains.